what I'm about to share with you are the top news for this week. This is the most depressing week ever. I'm going to share it because it has to be on record. I share both good and bad news. So Jason Ode, ex-Cambridge professor at Center for Plagiarism Rule, found that he could not take it anymore. If you followed his story, you know how he first spoke at the age of 11. He has been an inspiration to people in every community, anywhere that people are raising autistic kids. He has been someone that has been a source of encouragement to many people, telling people that they can keep going on, keep teaching your kids, keep supporting them. There will be something in the future. He has been a beacon of hope. Guess what? After the plagiarism accusation, he was hounded and he couldn't take it anymore. And that is why we had this bad news on Thursday, and that is it, guys. This is so sad. Many people have said once you are someone that is set apart, you are outstanding and you are black, it seems like many people are not happy about it. They will send you all sorts of messages that can mess with your mental health. That is what the story is right now. The media, everybody that had sent him messages, I hope they arrest him now. He was found dead in his residence. He was only 42. 2 days ago, we received this message. Some people received it twice. Some people received it 3 times. I don't know how many times you received it. Just write it in the comments. And guess what? It's just warning people about the high risk of wildfires nationally. Especially, they said West Midlands was on fire. Many houses were on fire. And that is why the UK government decided to send this message around. And guys, the ping or the sound that comes from this is quite different from your regular text message. Everybody was alarmed. Some people were just about to go crazy and wondering what is happening. Every person's phone on the train, on the road, everybody's phone was just blasting everywhere. Some people thought that maybe a war has started. It was crazy. How did you feel about this? Anyway, but I feel it's so important that it lets people know. They're just trying to tell you that you should not start any fire. Everything is dry. Disposable barbecue, fire pits, garden incinerators or fireworks. Please don't do it. I just want to share another video with you. This lady was talking on TikTok. It's a common problem that many people are experiencing. Listen to her.
I came to this country. I haven't rested. Since I moved into this country, I think I sold my peace of mind. I sold it, yes. I think that's what it takes from you, your peace. Since I came here, I've been on antidepressants, steady. And it's not working because I messed it up. Like sometimes I'm not supposed to take like alcohol and all that. It messed it up. Like, I don't know what else. Like back home, there's peace. You can be in a heavy debt back home, serious debt, and you will sleep more than somebody that makes like 6 figures here.
She said that she's really tired because even with your money, you are going through a lot of stress. Guys, I think we need to rest. We all need to rest. Oh, the hustle is too much. Find something to do. Go to a party. Go and relax. Enjoy yourselves. The number of people who have died in the past 2 months, migrants who came in the last 3 years, 4 years, who have died in the last 2 months is a lot. You're working hard as a carer, taking care of somebody in their 80s, 90s, keeping them alive. You need to be healthy too. So find something to do to take care of yourself, to relax and enjoy yourself because it's getting out of hand. If you're a dependent and you don't need a visa, I've already shared this opportunity severally with you. See my earning on Mercur. You can see how much I earn every week. Guys, you can do this. I can't do more than 25 hours a week. Sometimes I do less because I don't have time, but you can see how much I earn and anybody can do it. Click on the link in the comments to register and apply. Have your kids gotten their A-level results? It says boys pulled further ahead of girls in record year for A-level result. That's really amazing. A report by Telegraph says boys briefly took the lead in 2017 and 2018 before girls surged ahead during the pandemic, leading by nearly 5% points in 2021. However, boys have closed the gap since the pandemic and have stretched ahead. And they're saying the fall in girls' top A-level grades linked to mental health crisis. Guys, pay attention if you have daughters. If you like these weekly updates, please encourage me by clicking on the like button. Next, it says grandparents fund degrees to avoid tax. You know that they want to include your pension in your inheritance tax from April 2027. So many grandparents are saying, oh my goodness, I will spend my money now. I won't wait till that time. And then they will not tax my grandchildren or my children 40% for anything above £325,000. So people are changing the way they structure their estates. Now watch this report by the BBC. It says, I don't think I will ever be able to retire. People are going back to work at the age of 60, 70. Please follow my channel because I'm going to be sharing tips on how you can retire early as 55. That's my target year, 55. I want to be work optional. Next, it says here that at 24, she saved $97,000 by eating the same cheap breakfast every day. She aims to save 1.5 million by 40 so she can retire early. It's an interesting story about this content creator who is frugal. It says that she spends 65 cents for each breakfast and she eats the same thing. Let me tell you something. Gen Z is not ready to wipe any person's butt. They have a wide range of tools. Financial education is at their fingertips and they are well knowledgeable about retiring early and FIRE. Do you know your FIRE amount? Please watch out for the videos I'm going to release in the couple of weeks that will educate you on how to calculate your FIRE amount. Financial independence, retire early. If you've been following the AI revolution, you know that something great is happening now. DeepSeek has started hiring civil engineers as well as roles in electrical, HVAC, and environmental engineering, signaling that the Chinese AI model developer, once reliant on external computing resources, is moving deeper into building its computing infrastructure. Guys, I hope you're part of this AI revolution that is taking place. There's a bit of panic, but it's always good for you to be abreast and make your money. The market is where it is happening. You cannot build wealth without the stock market, land or real estate, and your own business. You need a piece of all of them to diversify your portfolio. So get involved. I have a step-by-step guide on how you can start investing. It's in the comments. Please just start for yourself and your future. This next news broke my heart. It's about YouTube. They are changing their policies. Guys, if you want to monetize your YouTube, this is the best time. Do it now, because from the 1st of February 2027, the YouTube partnership program entry thresholds for new creators are changing to 8,000 qualified watching hours in the past 365 days or 20 million qualified short views in the past 90 days, in addition to still needing 1,000 subscribers. If you're already in the YouTube partnership program, your status will not be affected. Now, what it means is that from the 1st of February 2027, you would need 8,000 qualified watching hours. It is currently 4,000. So if you are able to get monetized before the 1st of February 2027, then you just need 4,000. But from the 1st of February 2027, it's going to change to 8,000 watch hours. Now, let me tell you something. It won't stop some people from getting monetized. You can keep killing it, but it's always good when you get it when it's easier. So if you want to start a YouTube channel right now, I will encourage you to go ahead and start now. There was a time when you just needed 10,000 views to get qualified for monetization on YouTube, but things keep changing. They make the laws stricter and more harsher. That is the way things are. What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.